Anna Agra. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to do wall sit exercise.
Before anything else, feel free to like or share this video, and please don't forget to subscribe.
Wall sit exercise is an isometric exercise. It means it is in static position. You don't need to move that much. All you have to do is hold a position. It's like squatting with the help of a wall. And this one is great for your thighs, your hips, your abs, your calves, and it burns good calories. And aside from that, it will help you improve your balance, focus, concentration, and coordination. The best part here, it costs nothing. All you need is just your sturdy wall. And aside from that, your shoes and your clothes. Actually, you don't need to wear gym clothes for wall sitting. You can wear ordinary clothes and do your normal day-to-day activity as you do your wall sit exercise. And this one requires no equipment, but for your added resistance, you can use dumbbells, kettlebells, weight belts, or resistance band. So let's get started. So how to do wall sit exercise? Here are the 5 easy steps. Number 1, stand 10 to 12 inches away from your wall. Number 2, lean against the wall. Make sure that your back is pressed against the wall and your feet are shoulder length apart. Number 3, slowly slide down until you are on sitting position. Number 4, hold the position 10 to 30 seconds. It's all up to you how long you can hold the position. And then number 5, slowly return to start position and then repeat. And that's how you do wall sit exercise. So that's about it. If you have any questions or suggestions, just comment down below. Or you can message me on Facebook or Instagram. Feel free to like or share this video, and please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Till the next video. Bye!